If you have a vehicle question, I can answer it for you. I've been working in the transit industry for 30 years. So when something goes wrong out there, they call us. Our job is maintenance. We affect every rider every day. It's up to us to get the trains ready for service. It's up to us to make sure the trains are safe. So we make sure that the brakes work, we make sure the lights work, we make sure the radio system works, but there's always things that pop up. And the things that pop up could be anywhere from a problem on a certain line to a vendor coming in for a demonstration. So I gotta be flexible, I gotta be everywhere. And it's not just me. I'm only as good as the guys behind me. These guys make it happen. So it's my job to give them the tools to do the job. I gotta be like the cop. I gotta kind of like be a referee and a cop at the same time. I gotta enforce the laws and at the same time govern everybody's opinion. As long as I keep doing that, keep everybody happy doing their job. I love my job. It's exciting. There's never a dull moment. And we're doing it, and I'm doing it for me, I'm doing it for the public.